Well, hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack, and like the apron says, with my heavenly wife, Pam. Jack and my heavenly wife, Pam. You know how it goes. We're in the kitchen today, and this is a simple dish that we're going to be making, but something that I've had people comment on because I've posted pictures of it before. They went, how did you make it look so delicious? You're thinking, what is he talking about? I'm talking about simple veggie burgers and how we're going to dress one up, and you're going to think you're at a fine restaurant enjoying this incredibly delicious veggie burger. First of all, the type of veggie patty that you decide to use is very important. You can make your own. I buy these though. They're Dr. Praeger's Veggie Burgers. Why Dr. Praeger's? Because it doesn't have any crap in it. I'm telling you, read your labels. If it just says veggie burger, there may be stuff in there you don't want to know about. When you read the label on this, it is nothing but all vegetables. Carrots, onions, string beans, oat bran, soybeans, zucchini, oil, peas, broccoli, corn. You get the idea. That's all that is in this Dr. Praeger California Veggie Burger. It's the California Veggie Burger. It's got 5 grams of protein, 10 types of vegetables, and only 130 calories. Now, it's in the oven now. I put it in a black cast iron skillet at 450 degrees. The key to having a good veggie burger is you don't want it falling apart when you eat it. So do follow the instructions. I'm going to toast it for about 8 minutes in the oven on one side, then flip it for 5 minutes on the other. Now though, we want to make this tasty and delicious. I've got some hot olive oil here. And I have chopped up some sweet onion, some jalapeno peppers, and some mushrooms, some crimini mushrooms, okay? Let's put this in our oil. And you guys have seen me do this before. Some of this you'll think, oh, well, that's the same thing he always does. Well, because it tastes good. So, we've got our onions, jalapeno, and mushrooms. Add a couple, 3 cranks of some beautiful sea salt. Next, we're going to add a little pepper. And I go pretty generous with the pepper. So there we go with that. And next, my old hearty standby, smoked paprika. I just love the flavor it gives things, and it's really good in this little mixture. Get my wood skillet, and I've got this cooking in a non-stick skillet here. I'm gonna give it a nice little stir. Gonna get these veggies all nice and soft, and this is what's gonna be on top of our beautiful veggie burger. The presentation, when you see it, you're gonna go, wow, that does look like something out of a restaurant. Now, the other thing you gotta have when you're cooking, a glass of wine. I've got a glass of red wine. Red Diamond Merlot is the brand. It tastes delicious. Now, we're almost down to 2 minutes on one side of that burger, but I want to show you 2 of my topping. How many of you have heard of dijonaise? I know you have. All it is mayo and Dijon mustard. Well, I do a little twist on that. First of all, I like veganese or vegenaise. Okay? This is a vegetable-based product. It tastes beautiful, and that's the brand name. Follow your heart, original vegenaise, or veganese is what I call it. What we're going to do is I'm going to put about a tablespoon of vegenaise over here in this little bitty bowl that I have. This is going to be quick and easy. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of just some brown mustard, or you could do it with Dijon. I've done it both ways. With the brown mustard, I tend to I like the taste of brown mustard. And mixed with this, it's pretty good. So we're putting that in there. You see? Next, we're going to mix it up. And it makes a nice color. Looks just like Dijonaise that you may have had before. See how it looks? It's beautiful. Taste it. Tastes really good. If you've never had veganese, It's got a real sweet taste to it. Doesn't have sugar and stuff in it. It's all vegetable based. It just tastes really good. There goes our timer. And we've got to do the other side for about 6 minutes. Keep in mind, you want to get this veggie burger nice and toasty. So let's pull it out. There's our veggie patty. I'm going to flip it over. And you got to be careful when you flip it so it doesn't fall apart. There we go. That did just fine. A little hard for me to pick that up. That's heavy. Putting it back in there. And it's going to cook for about 5 or 6 minutes. Meantime, our mushrooms, our sweet onion, and our jalapeno pepper is cooking. I did de-seed the jalapeno. You don't have to. Depends on what kind of heat you want to have. Here, we'll kind of go in close and give you a little look at that. Looks pretty good, huh? As long as we're at it, give you a close-up look. There's our dijonaise, if you will, that we made. Very, very tasty. Now, we're going to be serving this on a beautiful bun that I got from a local bakery. It's nice. I've already sliced it up. All organic ingredients in this bun that I have here. Now we're also going to be using Tillamook pepper jack cheese. Tillamook is kind of local for us. I'm in Oregon, and the Tillamook factory and where they make their cheese and milk and all the different creams and things is just up the coast on the Oregon coastline. So we're going to be using some of that too. And the presentation again is going to be key. All right, now our peppers and onions are basically done. They're translucent. Remember, we've talked about that before, how you want them to be kind of translucent, nice and soft. Now in the meantime, let me walk away for just a minute. I need to put a box up. Remember how we've talked about you want to clean as you go. Trust me, it will make your life so much easier. Now, this also reminds me, I want to talk about these veggie burger things. There's a lot of places coming out with veggie burgers. I know it's like Morningstar, companies like that, these big mega companies. And I've read the ingredients, and it's not good, folks. The stuff in those veggie patties, don't put it in your body. Dr. Praeger's, excuse me, the Dr. Praeger one that I've done is outstanding. It really, really is. Good stuff in it. We've got to be careful about things that we put in our body. So if it just says natural, organic, or veggie, there may be other things hidden behind that, so read your labels, okay? All right, now this is almost done. We've got that. This is going to be so quick and easy, you're going to be amazed. Let me pull this over here. And what I've done, I went ahead and I pre-sliced, there you go, 3 little slices of some pepper jack cheese. Did I mention too that I've got a little bit of a French fry action going in the oven too? Yeah, I've got some French fries that are cooking. And this is all going to come out just right because I want you to see the end result. So what we're going to do now, we've got our bun. We're down to a couple of minutes on our burger. I'm going to microwave the bun to get it nice and soft. No, I'm not going to do that yet. We'll do that last. What we're going to do next is we're going to put our veggie concoction here, our onions, our jalapeno, and our mushrooms on top of our veggie burger. I'm going to wait for this to go down 1 more minute, and then we're going to pull it out and we're going to top it. Okay, and then you're going to see how you get that beautiful presentation that the restaurants bring to your table when you dine in. But after you have this burger, you're going to go, who needs to go to a restaurant? There we go. All right, it looks good. Now I've got a slotted spoon. And what I'm doing, I'm putting my topper, as I call it, my veggies on top of my burger over here. Looks really good. I may have a little left, and that's okay. I might just eat those on the side. It's kind of tricky putting this on there, but it's worth the work. I think presentation is always important. If If the food looks pleasing to us, it makes a world of difference. I mean, I could have been sloppy with that, but I'm not. Next up, I'm putting my cheese over the top of it like that. And we're gonna pop it back in the oven. And the cheese is gonna get all melty. And there goes our timer. So, da 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 da. Yeah, I know. I need theme music, don't I? So, next up, remember our bun? We're gonna microwave it. It's pretty firm. It was fresh from the bakery, but I don't know about you. I like a nice soft bun. Now, some people like it toasted. You could have toasted it. We're gonna microwave it for about 20 seconds to get it nice and soft. So stand by. And our timer's about to go off. Our burger is gonna be fully cooked. I think I ended up cooking a total of about 14 minutes. Again, you want to cook it a little longer than what the package says. Trust me, it's the right thing to do. And that's getting ready to go off, and there's our bun. Oh yeah. Our bun is nice and steamy. This is timing out beautifully. There goes our timer. Clear the oven. I'm going to look inside here. Oh my goodness. Guys and girls, this is going to look good. Okay, so here's our bun, and we've got our dijonaise that we made that we're putting on here. Want a nice healthy amount of that. Both sides of the bun. You know what? I might make it a little more. It'd be good on French fries. What do you guys think? I think so. There we go. I'm gonna set that up there. Our burger is basically done. We're gonna pull it out of the oven. Got my spatula here. Do that. And take a look. How's that look to you? Huh? And you thought a veggie burger was just something you popped in the toaster oven, slapped on a bun, put a little mustard on, and you were done with it. No. We have made a gourmet veggie burger. Quick and easy and delicious. You could add a tomato and some lettuce as well if you want to. I just like that nice veggie concoction. So there you have it. Veggie burger made tasty, easy, pretty darn good. You guys have a great day. Remember, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell anybody you know. Please subscribe to our channel. Am I begging? Yeah, kind of. You guys have a great day. And as I always say, make it a better tomorrow. Bye now.